What if you could get a brand new home loaded with upgrades, a big yard, in a great community? That's exactly what you'll find right here at Homestead at Daniel Farms, one of the top neighborhoods in DeSoto. Homestead at Daniel Farms is located just blocks off of Highway 67, which means you have easy access to Highway 20, 35E, as well as 360, the George Bush Tollway, and Spur 408. You'll love how much space these home sites provide, which means there's plenty of room to build a 3-car garage and have ample backyard with space between you and neighboring homes. We're featuring the Primrose 6 and the Rose 2 here in this community. Both are part of our Classic Series floor plans. The Primrose 6 is a fabulous 5 or 6 bedroom home with 2 stories, a game room and media room on the upper level, and more than 4,000 square feet. And the Rose 2 is also a 2-story design with a large family room that opens to the 2nd level. You can build it with 4 or 5 bedrooms and you have nearly 3,600 square feet. At Bloomfield Homes, upgraded living is our standard. You get more value in every home. No builder includes more luxury standard features at the base price than Bloomfield Homes. The neighborhood's all about location. You're just down the road from the uptown shopping district with loads of restaurants and retail, and you're also close to several malls located on I-20. There are parks in the area, as well as the Thorntree Golf Club and Joe Pool Lake. Students living here will attend the highly regarded Duncanville School District. This is an incredible opportunity to build a great home in a great community with some of the best access in the Metroplex. Come out to our model home and see why Bloomfield was named Builder of the Year.